If you want your voice to sound great when you're presenting, here's a great tip. Mix it up. There are lots of things you can vary, and variety makes your voice sound interesting. If you talk at the same tone and at the same pace all the way through, and it never varies, and the volume never changes, and the pace never varies, and the tone never varies, it all gets very, very samey, and ultimately you are what we refer to as monotone, which is really boring to listen to. You can play around with all sorts of things within your speech. So you can play around with the tone, the pitch. You can talk at the top of your voice. Excitement, urgency tends to sit higher in the voice. Relaxation, seriousness probably sits a little bit lower. So you can play around with the tone. You can play around with the speed. Because again, urgency, excitement can get a little bit faster, but then you can relax into other parts that are a bit more take it easy, take the foot off the pedal type thing. You can also play around with the volume, because depending on what sort of room you're in, you might want to be big and loud and really give it lots of energy. But quiet can be really intense and can really draw an audience in, hanging on your every word. So volume, pace, pitch, they can all be varied. And that makes a far more interesting sound to listen to. So practice varying your vocal tone. Practice speeding it up a bit, slowing it down a bit, bringing it up into the voice, bringing it down a bit, making it loud, making it quiet. These do take practice. And it's not that you're going to spend all your talk going up and down your range and doing all this sort of thing. It's just bonkers. But a bit of variety will just make it much more interesting listen for your audience. So they're going to pay attention, they're going to listen, they're going to understand, and they're going to remember.